Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Today I think we could take a look at the Canadian dollar again, because as we have discussed last week the setup, let's lead it right to the final point. Besides on the gold market, the situation we have discussed in the weekly report, and there we also foresee the possible scenario with upward continuation. So we have appointed the target, which is the 1530 area, and this first destination point. In general, we said that if market will break the 1520 area to the upside, we will start to work for another upside target on the gold market, which is approximately around 1580 area, where potentially a retracement could start. In general, currently our prediction stands overextended on the gold market, and from the technical point of view, it is not very attractive for taking the long position. Of course, the upward action could continue, but currently it stands in a risky moment where the reversal could happen in any moment of time, because market shows overextended positions, speculative position on the gold market, which is at the record high levels according to CFTC report. Market comes to the resistance, stands over bottom on the weekly and daily chart. Yes, all these moments are the strong signs of the bull trend, the strong bull trend on the market. And it's very good to stand with this trend when you already have entered somewhere in the middle of it or in the beginning of it, but taking the position right at the current levels on the gold market looks risky, and it's better to wait for a pullback. So all this stuff we have discussed in the weekly report. So today we continue our discussion of the setup on the Canadian dollar, which is coming to culmination point where we should make the decision on the position taking. Because take a look, just to remind you a few moments of our recent discussion. So we have the ABCD pattern on the daily chart. In fact, on the monthly you could see that this was the engulfing, and as our forum member reminds me, our analysis that we have prepared in the end of the previous year, that was engulfing pattern, retracement back and engulfing, that was an extension of this engulfing pattern. So, but anyway, it's taking the shape of the ABCD pattern on the daily, and OP target hasn't quite reached, so it stands 29.67. It's OP. At the same time, last week, as we have suggested here, we've got bearish grabber on the weekly chart, and the bearish grabber also suggests the taking out of these lows, which correspond to idea of this ABCD pattern. As soon as the lows will be taken out, OP target will be hit. On a daily, as a result of this engulfing pattern, we've got a kind of the evening star candlestick pattern has been formed, and usually it takes the shape of some ABCD pattern on the lower time frames. So it's usually suggests this is as AB leg, some retracement right back up, back inside of the body of the pattern, and then downward continuation. In validation point, all this stuff stands right here, because this is the top of the grabber, this is the top of the evening star. So if somehow overall background will change, the market will rally above this top, it will mean that setup has failed. So we will have to watch for something else. But currently, everything works just fine according to the scenario that we have discussed on Friday. So now we're turning to most interesting thing, dropping to the 4-hour time frame, to the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we talked about two possible opportunities to go short. The first one was on Friday, and we said if market somehow will show the upward retracement before it will hit the XOP target, we will take the position there. If not, if market will just proceed lower to the XOP, we will wait for the retracement. As you can see, both things has happened. So first was the spike on Friday and data release on the Canada, and this was really very, very fast upward action and return, so kind of the rejection of the price on market, just hits the confidence resistance here and dropped further. That was really too fast, and I don't know where somebody of you was able to catch this spike up. But anyway, now we're coming to the second opportunity. So market has hit the XOP very accurately, as you can see, pips to pips, which is, as we suggested, that could be the neckline of our big pattern. So we talked about it also on Friday. We said, well, guys, that could be our head and shoulders. It's very typical for evening star patterns on the daily. We could get the hand shoulders, and if hand shoulders will be formed, we will keep an eye out for a position taking around 3250, 3266 area. This is a confidence resistance, which agrees with the top of the left arm. So harmony of this pattern stands not bad, actually. And now take a look what is going on. On the right shoulder, market is forming the Gartner's triple to sell pattern, which is the bearish continuation pattern, and mostly it has been completed. The CD leg of this pattern is flatter than AB. That's very good sign, and it stands more in favor of the reversal. And our trade soon should start. So as soon as market will complete it, we expect downward continuation and action with our with our hand shoulders pattern. The first target of this pattern will be, because our OP on the weekly chart on the daily stands too far, and here it will be somewhere, if I would suggest downward action will start, well, 31.20 approximately, 25. So right here, this will be first destination point. So also not a really small move if it will really will happen. So as you can see, everything goes according to our trading plan. So let's see what development we will get on this week. But currently, everything stands very accurately as we have suggested. So let's see how situation will turn here.